Alright guys, Not a Real Spy here, and what we're going to go over today is how to be a real man. And what every real man needs is a basic tool set. Alright guys, and a real man's basic tool set is going to have a hammer, some type of hammer. It's going to have screwdrivers, both Phillips and flat tip. It's going to have some type of adjustable wrench. It's going to have some type of pliers. Every basic tool set needs some type of pencil. Of course, you got to have safety glasses. Can't be a real man if you don't have your eyeballs. Every basic tool set has to have a pair of gloves. Where is my other glove? What the hell? Where is my glove? Hold on a second. This is why you always have to plan ahead. Come on. Alright, here it is. Pair of gloves. Every basic tool set has to have a pair of gloves. And every tool set needs a tape measure. Tape measure. I can't find my tape measure. Hold on a second. This is why you're always supposed to plan ahead. Honey! Honey! Do you know where my tape measure's at? Yes, I already looked at my tool bag. Yes, I already looked at my tool bench. Yes, I already looked in the drawer. Yes, I already looked on my desk. Fine, I'll look in the tool bag again. She said look in the tool bag. Women never know what they're talking about. And you need a tape measure. Alright, a few other items that you might want to consider. A small screwdriver set. A small level. Some type of scissors. Some type of cutting device. I prefer a razor blade. Some type of multi-tool. Not these. Not really that. Alright guys, Not a Real Spy here. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you stick with me till the next one. Take it easy.